Today I'm going to show you how to group objects in AutoCAD quickly and easily. Grouping is a really useful way to keep related objects together so that you can move, copy, and manage them as one unit without accidentally separating the parts. This is especially helpful when you're working on detailed drawings and want a cleaner, faster workflow. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, open AutoCAD and load the drawing you want to work on. Once your file is open, go to the command line, type group, and press enter. This will open the group options so you can create a new group for the objects you want to combine. On the group panel or in the command options, click new to start creating your group. Now, AutoCAD will ask you to select the objects you want to group. Click each object you want included or use a selection window if the objects are close together. Take your time here and make sure you select everything you want inside the group. When you're done selecting the objects, press enter to confirm your selection. AutoCAD will now finish creating the group. The last step is simple. Click OK to save and complete the group. Once that's done, your selected objects are now grouped together, making them much easier to manage in your drawing. You can now move them, copy them, or edit them as a set, depending on your workflow. If you ever need to create more groups later, just repeat the same process. And that's it. You've learned how to group objects in AutoCAD. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next AutoCAD guide.